This video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at the different counting modes available on your Glory GFS 200 series banknote counter. So to access the different counting modes, you simply press the touchscreen here. Mine currently says mixed because that's the default count mode I've got set up. Mixed is basically it's counting all the denominations of a particular currency. So I've got mine set to GBP, so I can now put in all my 50s, 20s, 10s and 5s and it would count them all. You've got face, which separates the notes that are face up from those that are face down. You've got orient, which separates the notes that are fed top edge first from those that are fed bottom. You've got single, so that's when you count in a specific denomination, and you've also got issued, which separates different issues of the same denomination. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how some of those work. I'm going to do it in quite a good way. So I've got a big old bundle of notes here, different currencies, and then mainly Bank of England, sterling, pounds, but all four different note denominations, as well as a few foreign notes. And then I've also got the notes all mixed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the single, face and orient modes to get together all my £20 notes and have them so that they're all facing the same way up. So they're a nice stack of notes. So this won't take too long, and it'll just show you some of the neat features that the Glories have on them. So the first way to do this is to get all your £20 notes together. So in counting mode you select single and then choose 20. I've already chosen that, and I've got GBP here and then single 20 here. Place all your notes on the top. You'll notice I've not got the note guide set. I definitely recommend putting those in, but for these videos I'm not using them. What they do is they force you to put the notes in correctly to prevent the number of jams you might get. So there we go, we've got two different pockets, so basically everything that wasn't a £20 note. Bank of England has been off sorted, so there's a Scottish Clydesdale Bank, a fivers, a dollar bill, some £10 notes, euro, £50 notes and Hungarian forints. They've all been off sorted into the reject pocket, so they can be put to one side, and then everything down here should be a polymer Bank of England £20 note. Looks promising. What you'll also notice that they're all a bit jumbled up in the way they're facing and the way they're orientated. So all we do to solve that is go back into our counting modes, select face, and this will separate the notes that are face up from those that are face down. So we've got these at the bottom that have come out like that, and these are the top that are like that. So they're all sorted so that they're facing the same way. And now we need to orient them by pressing orient, popping them in the top of the machine again. You get two piles, pick them out, put them together, and you'll see that the notes are all now facing the right way. Okay, hope this video has been helpful. As you can see, the GFS 200 series are really powerful machines. There's loads of features and functions of them, so I've created a playlist of videos which is probably appearing on screen now, which you're welcome to check out, which will show you how to get the best out of the machine. So yeah, feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.